Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's session, right, we will see how to create project in the cloud. Okay, I am sharing my screen, guys. Guys, this is my channel. If you find my sessions are helpful, interesting, please subscribe my channel. And we will see how to create project in the cloud. Okay, launch the cloud. Cloud. Okay, expand here. Can you see here? So here is the new chat. If you want to try any prompts, no, you can try here by clicking on new chat. It will open this window. Or charts or projects, artifacts and all. Right now we'll go with the projects. See, can you see here? Nothing is there right now. I didn't create any project. And my project is right. I'm creating one new project. What are you working on? So my project, right? I will say that QA best practices. Okay. Practices. Okay. In this my project. Or okay. QA best practice under this project. I'm going to ask more questions, so I'll keep it as like this. QA best practices includes manual flows, automation flows, okay, reports, and playwright automation. Some description I am giving. Playwright automation. Okay, so I'm giving what are you trying to achieve, right? So under this QA practices, we are going to work on the manual flows, automation flows, reports, playwright automation, and all. So create one project here. Okay. Say once the project is created, okay. Once the project is created, it is asking type or for skills. What type of skills you are looking for? So in the skills, right? Suppose you can ask some generic commands like how to write code for login flow. Some generic ways you can add it, or you can add attach files also. Here. What are these files? Or here also you can attach the files, add files or photos and all the screenshots, everything you can attach here, the skills, either you are creating one MD file, connectors. So right now we are going with the files. So what I'll do, right, I have one file which I have created. Go to professional, so requirements data. So now my requirement is right. So organization login requirements document. Okay. So I'm taking one demo application. mm, Demo dot orange HRM live application. This is my application. Okay. This is the demo application. Everyone will use it for testing purpose. So I am also using the same product. Under this, I have created one requirement flow. This is our requirement document. In this requirement document, okay. In this requirement document, can you see Orange HRM demo application login flow requirement documents? The purpose is describe the functional requirements for the Orange HRM login flow. This is the document helps us to go with the functional requirements. What is the overview of the functional requirements? Users can securely authenticate to access the Orange HRM dashboard. So what are the roles? There are two roles. One is employee, one is administrator. Preconditions, user should have valid account. Application is available. User opens the login page. Now, what about the login flow? Okay. Navigate to the Orange HRM login page. Display username and password field and login button. User enter credentials. System validates mandatory fields. Okay. Now system authenticate the credentials. If valid, redirect to the dashboard. If invalid, displays an appropriate message. That is one login flow. In this login flow, what are the functional requirements? User and name, password, files are mandatory. Okay, functional requirements. Passwords must be masked. Yeah, that is one thing. And login button is enabled when page loads. By default, login button is enabled. Successfully login redirects to the login page. Invalid credentials, invalid credentials, error message. Session is created after successful login. Logout ends the session and redirects to login page. These are some functional requirements. Valid scenarios. Valid login, input should be correct, dashboard display. Invalid scenarios, valid username, wrong password, invalid credentials, blank username, validate error, blank password, validate error. Non-functional requirements, secure authentication response. So this is our functional requirement. See, if I upload the document, go here in the cloud now, I'll upload the document, or you can upload the files here. Future reference also it will be upload from device. Okay. 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 The document got uploaded. From the Orange HRM login requirement document. Try to analyze the requirement and understand the functional flows, generate smoke test cases, regression test cases, and our edge cases also. Okay. Give me all these test cases in Excel sheet in correct format. Okay, I am asking like this. Okay. See, from the requirement document, we are trying to generate the test cases, smoke test cases, regression test cases, edge cover test cases, edge cases, and understand the requirements properly and generate the test cases. I am asking. So this is the advantage. So tomorrow, if you come here, you can come to the projects. You can see what, because once when try to create the projects, right? Every project will be it reads Claude reads the every project data. Means so tomorrow whenever you come and see, this data will be available. So that is one of the main thing what you can get it. Okay, you tomorrow you will get the data. So I'm asking the test cases. See, it is telling right reading Excel access skill uh, before creating test case spreadsheet. So before it is asking for the Excel skill. So before creating the test case spreadsheet, okay, preparing work directory. Okay, it is generating Python script to generate the organizational login test cases Excel workbook. So if you want to write all these test cases, no, for you smoke test cases, regression test cases, edge cases, almost that depends upon your complexity, right? Almost it will take 1 day for you. Per day you can write around 30 test cases. Okay, but the Claude is reading the prompt whatever I suggested, and also I have given the requirement document to the Claude. So it is reading the Claude. Claude is reading the requirement document. It is translating, and it is getting. It is giving. It is reading the file. So with proper alignment, right? It is okay. So in the Excel sheet, it is asking for the proper alignment. Now the workbook has like four summary tabs. One is smoke, one is regression, one is edge cases. Total 38 edge cases it got generated. Can you see here? Okay. And for each one, it created smoke test cases, regression test cases, edge test cases. I will download this file first. Try to open this file. Okay, open it. Okay, orange HRM login feature test case summary. Now see, can you see test of smoke test cases, core login, mandatory fields, the focus area. It is giving see. It is having more clarity. But so we have to review it before approving or before taking. We have to review it. Okay, smoke test case, it got core login, mandatory elements, valid and invalid login, session logout. Regression test now 15. Roles, field validation, session life cycle, non-functional checks also. And edge cases also 15. Security, boundary inputs, browser behavior timings. Okay, now go to smoke test case, review it first. So test scenario is a login page load. Verify the login page loads with all required fields. Application is available, user opens the login. So each and every test case you can review it. Even it is giving the priority also, which test case is priority. So test steps, navigate to the orange login, HRM login page, observe the page elements. So username field, password field, and login field should be displayed. So, okay, load the login page. Check the state of the login button without entering data. It should be enabled, right? So all the test cases are covered. Now coming to regression test cases, almost. So test scenario, you can find out valid login employee role, valid login administration role. See, very nicely it is given, right? See, why AI means so our time will wait like we we no need to put a lot of efforts. So like what are the test cases it is generated? Uh, if we review it, then that will be helpful. Say the test case generation is happening based on the requirement within 2 to 3 minutes. Not even 2 to 3 minutes, but a review takes almost just imagine 1 hour. So the productivity increases, right? So normally if you write manually and review, almost it will go for 2 days or 1.5 day. But see, it got generated nicely within the format. The productivity increases within less time. So, but review, once we review it, everything will be good. Okay, edge test cases. Okay, now you can go and check all the edge test cases, whether all test cases are covered or not. This is how it is helpful. So, what I'm trying to say is now go here, go to projects. Can you see here? QA best practices. If you click on enter here, see orange HTML login test case generation. This is what last 4 minutes back we generated. Under this project, I am asking, write a login script hmm, with all fields validation in playwright TypeScript. Just TypeScript. So I'm asking, just it's a prompt I'm giving. I'm hitting on enter. It is generating a prototype of the code. Okay. So what and all it is covering the validation and all. It's giving a prototype of the code. The same code you can copy and paste initially. So later when we configure with the MCPs and all, you can generate the code directly within the file. Okay. Now I'm telling about the projects, how you are going to set everything in the projects. So it is telling Claude is telling that you can create 5 projects, but going forward, if you keep on increasing the projects, latest project will be available. Mm. Can you see here the login script it gave? Login script it gave. Okay, test base URL, a valid username, valid password, page object method, and everything. The test case. Okay, preconditions like this. Okay, now go to projects. Okay, can you go to QA best practices and check? Can you see here? The latest one is available. Login script with playwright validation playwright. This is the use of creating the projects. Normally, right, this is a chart. See, now in this chart, right, so mm, just I will ask for some things. Create a test case for login. So I'm just giving a prompt. So it can think anything and it can give a test case. Okay. Okay. Now I'm opening one more chat, one new chat. What I'm doing, related only. Now create a test case for dashboard page with all validations. I'm giving normal prompts. Okay. Normally general prompts with all validations for dashboard page with all validations, right? Okay. Now I have used the chart, right? Claude chart. Two times I have used. First time I have created a login code. I have given the prompt. Now create a test case for dashboard page with all validations. Just I am giving roughly the prompts should be very important. What are the prompts you are giving that? It should be very important. So based on that only the Claude will get the skill, will identify it and will give you the output. Okay. Now by these two prompts, no, like you are giving 100 charts, 100 prompts. So what happens if you expand it? Can you see here? The first one I have used orange. So it is also a kind of chart, orange HRM, login script, field validation, login test case, dashboard page. See, keep on increasing. If the charts keep on increasing, so tomorrow it will be 100 charts, right? So you need to go each one chart and you need to refer it where I have, if you want to again recollect the things what you have given or recollect the prompt what you have given, you have to go here and you have to search what I have given, like that 100 lines of charts. Now you have to verify it. It will take some time. Instead of that, going for a project, creating the project, multiple projects. Now, if you go to the project, there will be what are the prompts you have given. It will be here. This is very helpful. This is the advantage of creating projects in the Claude. Okay. This is what I want to convey. So creating projects now, it will be more helpful. If you find this session is helpful, please subscribe my channel.